Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain to you the Doctor Genetic Disease Project, the final project for Unit 2. In this project, you are able to create and encouraged to create a presentation. However, outside the box ideas are completely acceptable. If you'd like to do something other than a Google Slides presentation, that's totally fine. Just let me know. But in this project, you'll be starting by selecting a genetic disorder, and there's a list provided here for you. And from that list, you'll make your selection. Some you may have heard of, some you may not have. You might want to do a little bit of research and find something that you're actually interested in. If there's something you'd like to do that's not on the list, please let me know. And once you've made your selection, in the folder for this assignment, there will be a discussion thread, and you'll place your selection in the discussion thread so I don't get two projects with the same topic. As far as what you're going to be researching, you're going to be researching the genetic disorder itself, including the symptoms, prognosis, and genetic testing, if there's any genetic testing available. Specifically, you'll be looking at patterns of inheritance. And when we talk about patterns of inheritance, this is like autosomal dominant or autosomal recessive, X-linked. Is it X-linked dominant or recessive? Does it exhibit codominance? Is it the result of a deletion or a non-disjunction? And you'll be able to kind of research those things associated with whatever disease you choose. I would like you to search for a pedigree, showing a pedigree chart showing your genetic disorder, and then create your own. So you can create your own. I've seen students use all different types of drawing applications, so they're out there. You can even use Cami and then cut and paste, essentially, if you will, into the presentation. So you need 4 generations with the affected individual in the second generation. This is just an example of what a pedigree looks like, not the pedigree you should use. There should be grandparents with 3 kids, and then all 3 should be married. And then make sure there's some sort of label that includes autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, so on and so forth. So this is I would say the most challenging part of this project is first deciding the pattern of inheritance and then creating the actual pedigree chart. And you can always go back and look up, what a pedigree chart is if you happen to have forgotten. You want to talk about overall DNA transcription and translation and give me a little summary, and then explain how your particular genetic disorder or disease impacts protein synthesis, and then treatment, and a works cited page. So I will be providing a template for you to use if you so choose, or you can kind of do things on your own. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.